Hey guys, welcome to the Grit and Grace place again. Today is Thursday, so we have our Tech Thursday today. Today we are going to be talking about how to set up verse of the day notifications in the Bible app. So here I am on the Bible app, and as you can see, I already have the daily thing set there. However, if I tap the three little bars in the bottom right corner where it says more, that is going to take you to many places that you can change and do things. However, we want today to look at the settings part of this. Now, once you're in settings, there is also a whole bunch of things that you can do, turn on or off. But today we're just talking about the notification settings. So once you have clicked through the notification settings, you can see here we have the options of email notifications or push notifications. So you can select each one individually and then decide where you would like those things to be sent. This is really easy to do, and it's a good way to remind ourselves to be in the Bible every day. You can see the settings that I have turned on for emails and the ones I have turned off. But my push notifications, so push notifications go to your phone. So I have the verse of the day text set for on. I didn't know there was a time setting there, but apparently you can set the time that you would like it to send you. And you can also have the verse of the day image sent. I do not do that. You can see the different things that I have on. So the blue means that they are turned on, and if you hit the button, it will turn it off. So I will have it turned back on. Now it's set for 7:05 a.m., which is fine. It doesn't matter to me about those things, but these are all things that you can go in and turn on notifications to help you with your reading plans each day. You want to stay in the Word daily, even when we have busy schedules. So this is something that can help us in our daily walk with the Lord. This would be the image that would come if you decided that you wanted to turn on that image notification. But this way, even if you don't open the Bible app every day, you will get the notification to do so. Or if you have those email notifications turned on, I get too many emails. So I don't choose to have it sent to my email. I would rather go ahead and go to the Bible app on my phone. But since we are talking about this, I just want to remind you that spending time in God's Word is so very important with your walk with the Lord. And it's not even just about just logging in and doing this. I'm hopeful that this certain little exercise and notification setting will help you in your walk with the Lord in a way that it will implore you to then go deeper and do more in the Bible app each day. If this helped, hit the like and subscribe button for more Tech Thursdays. And I would love to see you around the channel. I hope you have a blessed day.